Hello and welcome to a look at the latest UK weather warnings. There is currently one weather warning in force for the United Kingdom. This warning is valid from Saturday the 21st of January at 7:30 AM until Saturday the 21st of January at 9 PM. This weather warning covers the area indicated in the shape. So it is Scotland and Northern England, with the exception of parts of the northeast of England, as you can see there. But much of Northern England is affected. And now we're going to have a look at the description of this weather warning. This is a yellow warning for high winds. Wind gusts of 60 to 65 miles per hour are possible. There is a low to medium risk of disruption on roads, especially on the high ground. Be prepared for possible road closures and take extra care. And this is the area indicated affected by this warning. And I might add, it's the northern half of Scotland that is especially prone to disruption, as they are expected to experience the strongest of the winds. We think the northeast of Scotland particularly, and Orkney and Shetland are expected to have the strongest winds, with gusts of possibly 70 miles per hour even here, but generally gusts of 60 miles per hour across mainland Scotland, but especially in the north. We don't really expect any disruption in the south of Scotland or the north of England. It's predominantly the northern half of Scotland, so from about Dundee northwards we could have some disruption, but more especially across the northeast of Scotland, sort of where I'm pointing to now. As you can see up here, this sort of area is where the strongest winds are going to be. Orkney and Shetland, which is just there, and the northeast of Scotland, this sort of area, this is where the strongest winds are expected to be, where there's also the most risk of disruption. Up here you can just see where I'm pointing, and Orkney and Shetland especially. So do take extra care if you're planning to travel on Saturday. This is tomorrow, Saturday the 21st of January 2012. And you can always keep up to date with the local weather on your local radio station, or of course the Met Office at www.metoffice.gov.uk. Thank you for watching and take care.